All right, what's up, guys? Today we're going to discuss the key elements or differences between swing trading and day trading, and so how you approach those two different styles of trading. So day trading is typically performed on, smaller time frames, lower time frames. They can be charted on higher time frames, for just from an analysis standpoint. But typically, you're entering your trades like on a 15-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, a 3 or a 1-minute chart, right? And you're looking for that move to happen today. So we're looking at Tesla's chart right now. We're on a 5-minute period. And if we were going to buy a call option on Tesla, we would have the opportunity to purchase a contract, the same day. If it's a Friday, which today happens to be a Friday, or a weekly, right? A Friday expiration, or maybe even another week out, just to give us some leverage and try to offset some of the theta burn, right? So day trading is just simply saying that we're looking for the move to take place today. We're looking to make money today. And if we don't, we will exit that position regardless, right? That is a day trade. We are looking to capitalize on the movement today, right? Swing trading would be done on a much higher time frame, like say maybe a daily chart is where you would begin. And let's say you were looking to capitalize on this move right here, which, this move would have, started around July 13th, and then at its peak, was August 4th, right? So a few weeks in between where your entry would be and roughly where your exit would be if we went, to the peak. So obviously you couldn't buy a weekly contract there. You could, but I mean, you're probably buying something a little bit longer dated, maybe a month out, maybe 2 months out. If you're trading leaps, maybe you're buying 6 months to a year out, right? So very different in the approaches. Obviously those contracts will cost you significantly more to purchase because, well, you're obviously buying some insurance with the time being out so far, right? So main differences between swing trading and day trading is just simply the day traders are looking to capitalize on moves today, and swing traders are looking for a move in the coming days, weeks, or even months, right? All right, guys, thank you.